Hello all. Today we are going to see about it will sync. Basically, it will sync your coding agent to your phone. So if you run in your terminal npx it will sync hyphen hyphen copilot, Claude, Codex, Line CLI, any of the CLI agents or your CLI itself, right? You can just connect it to your mobile phone so that you can just walk away from your computer and control your agents from your mobile itself. If your agent is asking any questions, or if your agent wants to, if you want to change the course of direction of your agent, everything is possible while you walk, while you sit in a meeting, because everything is in your phone. So let's see the demo. So if we just type npx it will sync space Claude or Copilot CLI or Client CLI or Codex, whatever terminal command, or you can even use npx it will sync bash, zsh. So basically it's like a remote terminal for you. So if you just click on enter, it will ask you for installation of it will sync. Do you want to have inside local network only, once inside the Wi-Fi range only, or do you want to make it as tail scale? So tail scale is something like if I just go out of the house or office also I can just access it. So if I just, the tail scale setup should be done both in laptop as well as in mobile. So I'll just give on tail scale. Now it has it has just installed in a second, and it shows a QR code. Now in your phone, if you just pick it up, right, and if you just click on QR code scan, if you just scan it, it will open a dashboard where you can see the same Claude Code screen over here. So if I just open in the mobile and then if I click on enter, yeah, it will trust the page and it will open it here also. So if I ask it to, like, if I ask like, can you ask me MCQ question which I can answer in the keyboard, if I just trigger it from mobile, it just triggers in the laptop also. So meanwhile, if I just open another codex session, that also will appear in the dashboard. So you, once this question is being generated, it will pop up a notification, visual notification as well as a sound notification in your dashboard phone, so that if you can just answer it from here. Let us spin up the codex session and answer that question. So I just pinned up a codex session from a laptop, which immediately appeared in the mobile phone also. So if you just click on here, you can see the same codex session over here. You can just click on here and type hi and just send. And let's go back to the Claude Code session. So the Claude Code session, now let's answer it. So immediately the codex replied, and then that notification also came, because the whole session is being, I mean, the whole answer is being rendered. Also from dashboard itself, you can stop the sessions and you can rename, open, you can see the info, like, let me show you what all info you can see from here. So if I open a codex session, it will appear in the dashboard. If I click on info, it will show what is the PID, what is the agent name, what is the port it is being used, and what is the directory it has access to, what is the memory it is using, and what is the uptime. So with this we can easily differentiate between sessions. And also this URL with the IP address and the port number of the dashboard, we also need a token of 64 digits, which is a unique created for each and every time we start a new dashboard. So nobody can easily just come into your sessions or the overall dashboard. I think this will help people more managing your agents outside while you are doing something else, when you are uh, when you are not sitting before the laptops. This makes us not forcefully sit before the laptops. If you are running multiple agents, you don't know where which agent is asking you question, you don't want to wait for it. So everything is being updated in your phone itself. You can manage, course correct, you can give an input, see the output, answer the question what the agent asks, everything from your mobile phone itself.